Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with Technique Tuesday number 85. So today we are going to be expanding a little bit on our love. We are on a love streak. I think it's the proposal that's happening. But we are going to be taking our clear embossing powder and our heat tool or craft tool, and we are going to be inking over it. So let's show you what we're talking about. All right, friends, so we have discovered something else. This is kind of an experiment for us as well, but we're going to have fun with it. So as you see, I've taken the stencil sheet that we had from last week, and I've taped it with a thicker washi tape. So if you have a thicker washi tape, that's what this is good for. You can use the thin washi tapes as well, but we wanted to experiment with a thick washi tape. I have my Versamark ink here, and I also have my clear embossing powder and my heat tool. See my craft tool? So I'm gonna take this, and what I wanna do, you could probably sponge it or daub it, something like that, but we figured this was easier. So I'm gonna take it, I'm actually gonna just stick it into the ink. This ink is stickier, remember? We've showed you in the past. But I have that washi tape around it. Yeah, I can see that, that's all good. I have the washi tape around it because I wanna be able to pull it up, and I don't want any of that excess ink to get on my sheet here. So pulling this up, Mom, can you take this from me?
Of course.
Thank you. And I can see on here that the ink, the L might be a little bit light, but this is an experiment. The other parts I can see are pretty good.
Right. Before you take off your tape, you may want to check your lettering.
Yes, I didn't check it as well as I wanted to, so I'm going to just be a little bit careful here and do this. Don't do this at home. Check before you take them off.
And remember, your Versamark ink stays wetter for longer.
It's
so you can
stickier.
emboss. Stickier.
So this might not be perfect, but we want to get the idea of it out there. Just because I took the stuff off, but I missed a few spots. There we go. Now we're good. Clean this.
Yes.
We didn't clean it last time, and that's why I just dyed that color, but it's kind of cool. I think it is.
Yes.
So remember, always have this is the Versamat that we're stamping on. Make sure that you have a scrap piece of paper before you use the clear embossing powder, and cover your inks up. Don't forget to do that. And I'm just gonna sprinkle my clear embossing powder on here, making sure that all of that is covered. Our white daisy paper is really good for all of this, so make sure you use it. Yeah, and look, I got that pretty well. Okay, I'm gonna put this over to the side. Mom can start to do that, and I'm gonna heat this up and come right back. All right, so I've got my embossed love here. It's fun to touch. And now we're gonna do exactly what we've been doing the last few weeks. So here we go. And there you have it. So it will not actually ink over what you've just done. So you can then take this and take a photo. You can actually do it all the way up, but it would be a cool photo mat or something like that.
Oh, it'd be great.
So something
And
really cool.
You don't have to always use the word love. You can use whatever one you want. You could have a name under there.
Yeah, that would actually be really cool. But just some ideas on what to do. So on Thursday, we will be taking all of our techniques, and we will be making something cool. And that's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. We are out walking on this gloomy Tuesday, but
It's okay.
we need
sun
Starbucks.
will come out tomorrow.
I need Starbucks. So
Starbucks.
Lent is over. I can have Starbucks again. It's great. But yes, and we also just discovered that we have hit 300 followers
Yay, thank you.
on YouTube. So that's awesome.
Yes,
We're
it
so
is.
glad that you guys are subscribing and liking our videos. And we hope that you enjoyed our clear embossing and inking technique that we did today. And we are super excited about Throw It Together Thursday. We are going to have a really awesome card for you on Thursday. So we are super excited. And it's going to be a little bit of a interesting way for us to figure out how exactly to throw all of the last 5 techniques together, but I'm determined we can do it. So.
Oh yeah, it's going to be fun.
All right, we'll see you on Thursday. Bye.
Bye.
She's a cheater. I was just like, what is the number? And she was like, 85. And I'm like, how do you know that? I was like, I don't think it's 85. And she was like, it is. And then I looked it up and it was 85.
And I had looked it up before. Oh well, she didn't ask me that.
She's mean. Oh, I'm ready. Say scrap with
And
close
here
to my
comes the
heart.
car.
And the bird. Look, right there. It's a blue jay.
Yum, 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 yum.
An inking tool.